about nutrition in plant, chapter of science. First, what is nutrition? Do you know? If you know, please do comment. Nutrition take nutrients from our body and it utilized through the body is known as nutrition. मीनिंग जैसे कि हमने कोई फूड खाना खाया और वो बराबर हिस्सों या बट के हमारे पूरे शरीर में यूटिलाइज हो गया, तो इस प्रोसेस को हम कहेंगे न्यूट्रिशन. अब इसी को हम प्लांट्स में अभी देखेंगे और ये एनिमल मतलब ह्यूमंस में अभी बाद में आगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में हम पढ़ेंगे. ओके, देन देर इज वन ऑल्सो nutrients. Do you know? Nutrients and nutrition, the word are different but meaning is also different. Nutrients that we eat like vitamin, protein, fats, mineral, etc. These are known as nutrients that help to live in survival organisms. Okay, there is two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic and next is heterotrophic. Autotrophic, that organisms make their food with own, like plant make their own with the help of photosynthesis. Algae, do you know what is algae? Algae is in color blue and green. I think you remind it that is काई मीन जैसे कि पॉन्ड या तालाब में काई जमा होता है ब्लू या ये ग्रीन कलर का, जो बहुत ही स्लिपी होता है, उसी को हम इंग्लिश में एल्गे कहते हैं. तो दैट एल्गे इज एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑटोट्रॉफ्स एंड ऑटोट्रॉफ्स इन ऑटोट्रॉफ्स वी आर नॉट एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑटोट्रॉफ्स बिकॉज वी डिपेंड ऑन एनी अदर nutrients plant like pulses, grain, rice and etc. Like you know food chain. Lion eats deer eats grass. In grass there is some nutrients by the process of photosynthesis. That deer eat that grass, that in the deer there is some nutrients. Then lion eat deer. In lion there is also some nutrients, that this is known as food chain, but the animals is also example of heterotrophs. There is also two types of nutrients. First is nutrition, next is nutrients. There are two types of nutrients, macros and micros nutrients. In macros, that our body needs more nutrients like PCF, short form PCF, P protein, C carbohydrate, F fats. Our body needs three nutrients more. And in micros like vitamin, minerals, etc. is need for few some मतलब बहुत थोड़ा चाहिए होता है हमारे बॉडी को. नेक्स्ट, देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ हेटेरोट्रॉप्स: सिम्बायोटिक, इंसेक्टिवाइरस, पैरासाइट, सेप्टेरोट्रॉप्स. फर्स्ट, पैरासाइट 1 minute. डू यू नो अमरबेल और कस्कुटा? it is on tree, like this is a tree. On a tree there is one drop type plant that cover whole tree, is known as Cascuta, and second name is Amarbel. Her second name is Amarbel. This Amarbel or Cascuta take nutrients from tree branches, leaf, roots, etc. and it takes nutrients through the his root. Okay. Next is separotrophic. In separotrophic, I give you one activity. Do this, like take one bread, a piece of bread, and that bread dig into a water and put it very warm place, जहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी हो, warm place, and warm place and put that piece of bread for 2 to 3 days, and see, there is one yellow or white or blue color pigment. That pigment takes nutrients from that item, like your pickles. When you go your village and come after some days, you see your pickles. In the pickle there is some black, white color pigment that is known as septotroph. Next is insectivirus. In insectivirus there is pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, and one shape of cobra like plant. in this all plant take nitrogen from animals. Like this plant is found in that soil जहाँ एक ऐसे जगह पर जहाँ पर नाइट्रोजन की बहुत कमी होती है. And there is some plants that have much nitrogen, but this plant have no nitrogen. That's why they take nitrogen from insect. Thank you.